Good day and welcome to another WizzWatch. Today is Thursday, August 20th, 2009, and this is your host, Marlin, Rolle. I have a few stocks that I would like to talk to you about today. The first stock out the gate is stock symbol NPHC, that is Nutrapharma Corp, and that company trades on the OTC bulletin board. And if you have a close look at this chart, you will notice that the stock basically is on a huge run, coming from a price low of about 5 cents early in the week to end today's trading at about 24 cents. The reason for the big move in the price of the stock was the company came out with news due to a launch of its over-the-counter pain reliever known as Cabroxin for treatment of stage 2 chronic pain, and that is what in fact lifts the stock a lot higher today. And what I'm looking for is basically a price break above the pivot point between 25 cents to 30 cents, as well as if you have a look in the volume area, you notice that we had heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock today. The average daily volume for NPHC Nutrapharma Corp is about 730,000, and we ended the day with volume of about 4.7 million. The stock did end the day trading at 24 cents, up 16 cents on the day, or 192.94% on the upside. So please keep Nutrapharma Corp on your watch list for a possible price move to the upside tomorrow. The next stock on the list for the day is stock symbol BAC, that's Bank of America, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look at this chart, you will notice that Bank of America has basically been moving in a sideways consolidation between about $12.25 to about $13.80 before breaking out and running up to a price high of about $17.49. And what I'm looking for right now is basically a break of my pivot point between $17.50 to $17.55 in order to take this stock a lot higher. But if you have a look in the volume area, you will notice that the volume is basically below the average daily of about 296,000, and we need heavier than average volume in order to push the stock a lot higher. And the stock did end the day-to-day trading at about $17.14, up 39 cents, or 2.33% on the day. The next stock on the list for the day is stock symbol C, and that is Citigroup, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange. The stock is up over 70% since a price low that was made right here in this area on July 27 of about $2.60, and we ended today trading at about $4.48. And what I'm looking for is basically a price break up the pivot point between $4.55 to $4.60 in order to take Citigroup a lot higher. And also, if you have a close look in the volume area, you will notice that the volume has basically increased above the average daily, which is 877 million. And today, the stock did end the day trading with volume of about 1.05 billion. The stock ended the day today trading at $4.48, up 35%, or 8.47% on the upside. Last but not least is stock symbol FNM, and that is Fannie Mae, that trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look at this chart, you would notice that Fannie Mae basically ran up from a price low of about 55 cents right in this area right here, and today's trading at about $1.10. And if you have a close look in the volume area, you will notice that we had heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock as well. The average daily volume for Fannie Mae is 114 million, and today's ending volume for Fannie Mae was 223.7 million. So we did get heavier than average volume, and also we are above our 5, 10, 50, and 200 week moving averages. But what we are looking for Fannie Mae is basically a price move above the pivot point between $1.20 to $1.25 in order to lift this stock a lot higher. So please keep Fannie Mae as well as the other stocks mentioned on your watch list for possible price moves to the upside tomorrow. Thank you very much for listening to another WizzWatch. Have a great day and happy trading.